Mm. So that was some glitch, and we are back. We are back. We are back. Yeah, so I really love this level, and so anyone went long here. So the fact that it has failed to take out this high, so might drive them lower still. So I still love this level here, this one. I want to see a deeper one, a deeper push into this level. So if it can give me that, the better. So who is in this trade? Who is long? Mm. So this low here, I'd really love to see this price. Yeah. So right now everyone is long here. So I want to see. Let me see on 1 minute. Yeah. On 1 minute, let's see what we are having. Okay. So yeah, we try into this and okay. So right now everyone is long, everyone went long here. So those who failed to catch anything down here, they went long inside this price move. So once they saw that, they try that. But now the fact that we've not taken out this high, so that's good. So that means that we might still be hopeful. So maybe it can trade into this level that this is now our point. So I hear they say POI, point of interest level. Okay, in as much as, yeah, you know, you never know, it might. Yeah, so everyone went long here. So again, it has traded into their entry levels, and yes, might go higher, but then for me, I'm really interested in this one, this lower level here, this one here. So I don't know if it will come into that, if it will tag me, but then I'm just hopeful, I'm just wishing. Yeah, so you never know. Which strategy are you using? Just PO3. Yeah, liquidity, fair value gap, return, break below fair value gap. I mean, liquidity taken out, swing low, swing high, break above or below, with speed, distance, fair value gap, return into the fair value gap, and then entry. Yeah, so all of that happens inside a manipulation leg. Okay, so we normally have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We are back. Yes, we are back. You are back. Yes, I'm back. It was a glitch, shida kidogo tu. So right now, anyone who went short here, who went long here, smart concepts, thank you. So which I mean, what's your strategy? Labo, how do you trade? I mean, It's a free space. Feel free to share. Let me put it at the center. Okay, in as much as these are relatively equal highs, I'd really love to see this level here traded into, but then it's like price has other objectives. So because it has other objectives, what do we do now? You just let it do what it wants to do. Yeah, but now the fact that this move here failed to take out this high, I'd really wished to see it trade into this lower, into this 5 minutes AVG. So this 5 minutes AVG, so I'm rooting for this. Yes, I might be wrong. It might go ahead and take out these relatively equal highs that we are watching here, but then this is my point. I hear they say POI, point of interest, or area of interest, I don't know, but then this is my level. Might not even trade into this level, but then still it's not like I'm in this trade, so I'm still on side, you know. But then everyone that went long in here, they're now reaping well, reaping good. What's your POI? Okay, this I'm referring to this level. So I really love to see price at least maybe trade below this level, because it failed to take out this high here, only create this short-term high and then took it out. Then we had this, so I'd really love to see it trade below this before we rip higher, because right now it has enticed, okay, the retail logic, the retail mindset that this level is a strong resistance. So we had that high, so this level held the first time, held the second time, and also the third time, and so we've been playing around this level for quite a few times. Okay, so what I normally say is that this priming and these levels only work for a short period of time, so they only work for a short period of time. And I was saying I wanted to see a pullback into this level, but then it failed. So the fact that it failed, so it's been doing this, and still I'm eyeing for this level. Might not give me, but then if it can give me, then well, if then good. If it doesn't give me, then still good. I won't do anything. Yeah, but I'd really love to see this. Or if it doesn't want to give me this, then let it just run and take out this high here. And also remember today's, which day today is, so don't be aggressive in your trades, you know. Just target low hanging fruit objective and be done. Yeah, so don't hold your longs for me, I don't know what level, or if at all you're short, don't hold it for whatever level you are targeting. So just 1 to 2, 1 to 3, chop malizana nayo. So still 4 minutes to, how do we call it, 10:50 11:10 macro, 10:50 11:10 macro, 4 minutes to that. So we might get a drive higher, or anything can happen, because right now we're still ranging around. Okay, let's see which level is this. So from that high to this low. So we are still trading around the 50. So there's two quadrants, this one and this one. Yeah. So we are really struggling inside this area. Guys, net yangu ni shitty. What's wrong? What's happening? My internet. But why? Okay, just a minute. So it's now breaking above that level. Damn. Why are you doing this? So from my other screen everything is good, everything is working, but then this one, what's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah, so we are getting a pullback. So if you can see from your chart, we are getting a pullback. So as I fix this, guys, sijui nini inafanyika, but from your chart you can see we are getting a deeper pullback. Sijui what's wrong with my net. There we are back. Sorry about that. Yeah, so you can see that pullback. Yeah, so 1050, sorry about that. So 1050, 1110 macro. Yeah, so if I was the market maker, I'd simply do something like this. Yeah, so I'd really do something like this, because right now everyone wants to go long. Yeah, everyone wants to go long, and they have their stops scaled into this level. Again, we traded above this CB here, was supposed to hold price going low, but then we traded above it, so everyone again added their positions here. So where are their stops resting? Below these lows. Anyone that went long here, where are their stops resting? Below this low, and also probably they scaled their stops here. So around this level we are having liquidity pool. So this low, this one. Yeah, so I'd really love to see these levels tag, these lows tagged. Might not, might tag them, might not, so wait. But then regardless, so if it doesn't do what you want, so just let it slide. 27. Okay, so everything we wanted to see not happening, so that's good, still good. Okay. So this week I've seen Trump is going to be speaking on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, just know that you have to be careful on that day. On Wednesday, you need to be careful. Be careful on Wednesday. Yeah, so let's just watch it from the 5 minutes, because 1 minute it's too much. It's too much for us on the 1 minute time frame. Mhm. So on the 5 minutes, it just keeps on doing the, yeah. So this is now what we mean by bank holiday. Okay. So this is now what we mean by bank holiday. Bank holiday. You have to wait more. You have to wait and wait. Okay, so it's like it's expanding. That's good. So everything we wanted to see it has not given us, so we'll just believe that there's on the 5 minutes level, on the 5 minutes time frame, so there's acting as a breakaway gap, then pressed into the measuring gap, and now we want to see it expand, take out this high. So still inside the 1050 1110. So it's like the macro now running into these relatively equal highs up there above price. mm. So you guys realize that whatever price has been doing here is just simply accumulating. Okay. Mhm. So 15 minutes. Mm. Okay. So right now we are running above those highs. Yeah, so that's that. Whatever we wanted to see didn't happen. And boom. Yeah, so the relatively equal highs have been tagged, and everyone that went long, W's. So now does it want to continue going higher, or Screen imeenda. Iko sawa? Okay. Sadaman, long time no see, bro. How you? How have you been? Umepotea wapi? We mzee, we kijana. Umepotea wapi? Ama ulienda ushago? So let me see. Oh, okay, that's good. So I hope everything is now good. You're fixed your trading and everything now makes sense, okay? I hope so. I mean. Tin, 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 tin. So actually there's now my other target. Only win, no lose. Really? But then whatever you're demanding is unrealistic. You have to lose. You have to. You have to lose. So losses are part of the game, you know? Losses are part of the game. Dun, 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 dun. So on the 1 minute I'm having that level, on the 5 minutes I'm having this. Na ulienda na deni yetu, ilikuwa utume kitu. Ilikuwa utume kitu. How much did you make? And you were to send us something. Can you remember that? Oops. Uh-huh. Okay. So let's see if that area is sensitive. So right now it's 11:13. So next level is this upper fair value gap. So we're also having this upper fair value gap. So far what happened here is we opened 9:30, so we were having this accumulation, then took out sell side liquidity, and then gave us this move higher. Okay, so in as much as we were demanding a return into this lower fair value gap, failed. Okay, so it failed to give us that, and so again accumulation, then broke higher, taking out these relatively equal. So this high, this one, so it kept on teasing these highs so many times. So this level here, yeah, so ilikuwa inanyemelea. So I was saying retail was seeing this level as resistance. So if you look at 1 minute chart, you're going to see what I'm saying. So you see this level, so it kept hitting this level so many times, yeah. So this is what we call relatively equal highs. This is what we call relatively equal highs. Okay, so the all of that, so it kept on teasing these highs, and we had this. Okay, so my goal was to see trade into this level. Hey, watu wengine wako na mauchungu. Okay, so then we had this and that. So I wanted to see a pullback into this low, and then so we really struggled around this price level, and then finally broke, above, taking out these relatively equal highs, yeah, and running into these other levels. Aburada abu ako na mauchungu. Shakukosea bro, shakukosea mimi, but anyway, oh, it's a free world, it's a free world. Hey, ni mbaya. So we are trading above 2-day open right now, so that's key. So right now it's 7:20. So we've really struggled around that 2-day open. So we can see how many candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles. So imagine spending 7 minutes around a certain price level. So that tells you something. That needs to tell you something. Mtu amesema tu niko Dubai, mazee ni mbaya. But then I feel like ni ignorance ya mtu tu yani. And plus also like you never know what someone went through the entire day. Maybe the day was really tough and now the only channel in which they can remove some of those stress, some of those anxiety, some of the anger that they suffered today is through someone, okay? But then I'm sorry, you can't project that in here, you know? Like this common knowledge. Sijasema niko Dubai, sijasema niko nini. Come on. Ignorance will kill my people. So that price level tunaona like iko sensitive kinda. Ni mbaya majamaa, ni mbaya. Like ukipigwa kidungi mazee, accept, you know, ukishapigwa kidungi accept. Okay, so let's now see what time and then what price wants to do. Ni mbaya mazee bana, ameleta hasira huko nata. Like I am concerned, I am also like, come on, like mtu akifanya kitu inakuaffect, inakuconcern aje? Like yeah, mimi ni make a background, like ni make a background cover. I mean, kwani how petty watu wengine wako petty aje maze? So it's like we really extended into this breakaway gap yenye tulikuwa tumenini hapa, kwa tume highlight hapa, but then ijaifikia hata bado. So on the 1 minute tulikuwa na hiyo level, so it's like we have tried into this measuring gap, so that's good. And then considering now the time yenye tumeitradia, so hiyo ni poa. So that 5 minutes fair value gap, so these are busy, needs to support price going where higher. But then if you can get a down close, then might start looking for some shots, you know. Mm. So during this session and also today, it's like we are still on P's, on profits, and we still have, I mean, three. So I normally have a total of executions three executions. Ting, 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 ting. So 5 minutes we've closed lower, I believe. Yeah, so we've closed below this. And what is it doing now? Okay, we'll just wait and see. We'll just wait and see. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Mm. So this level was really sensitive to I mean, it really held price. So for 8 minutes. So a total of 8 minutes. So just spending inside a price level. So that needs to tell you something. That needs to tell you something. So let's wait and see if there's really a continuation. I mean, it's giving us a bullish continuation model. So we don't need to rush. We just have to read. I mean, what price is telling us. So what is it telling us? That's all we need to get. Ni mbaya. So guys, let's learn kidogo hapa. Tujifunze, like, okay, Leicester, Nasdaq, Ekiro growing. So you guys have been here with me for a long time. So right now, what are you guys anticipating? So what is it doing? So is it reversing lower, or is it giving us a continuation setup? Yeah, a long continuation. So is this level, I mean, are we reversing, or is it giving us a continuation? So what do you guys think? So if you I mean, just give your a random opinion of what you think this market is posing to us. I mean, what is it telling us that it wants to do? Just a random, I mean, hakuna mwenye like ako wrong, ako right, hakuna mwenye ako right. Mi sijui, wewe pia hujui. So like we're just brainstorming, so there's a free space. Yeah, so what do you think? Is it giving us a bullish setup, or is this a reversal, or just a protraction to continue long? Yeah. So kuna mwenye anajua? Anyone? Anyone mwenye anajua? So is it giving us a continuation setup to go long, or is this a reversal? I mean, want to continue long. Growing limits, okay. Continuation long, okay. So at least we are on the same. So continuation. So 15 minutes. So in the 15 minutes you're having this low, high, lower, low. So the whole of these we've tried above it. So low, high, lower, low. So the whole of these, you know what that is? A breaker. Also we are having this order block. So 5 minutes. So we had this fair value gap, this lower one. We've tried into it and we can see, so the move, what it's doing there. Sauti imerudi. Continuation. So try back into this fair value gap. Okay, the reason why I like the 5 minutes time frame is that on the 5 minutes it's not really flooded compared to the 1 minute. Yeah, so on the 5 minutes you can see it's a bit clear. Okay, so these levels are a bit visible. Samaki. Fish. Karibuni sapa. Kamongo. Kumbe weni mtu wa mataa, mtu wa mtaa. Na by then nimerealize like so imetrade hiyo fair value gap and then so what's there in BTC? Growing limits uko wapi? Mikey, BTC say Tony continuation. Hii pia imepose to continuation. So the fact that ili accumulate hapa hii low ikasipizi zote, so kumaanisha hii low like ni protected, so any move lower haiwezi fikia. So imerudia hii accumulation level, we pull back to ilikuwa protraction and then same Tony imepose to continuation. Unaona hata Nasdaq. Okay. Hata Nasdaq tulikuwa na hii accumulation and then imerudia tena. That is streaming from Dubai. Bro, hii ni background. Hii ni background imeweka like come on. Don't be fooled. Mimi ni mtu wa Kenya. Okay, nikieka hii background setting like sikujua like inaweza pea watu impression ati niko Dubai, kitu kama hiyo. But then if that's the impression watu wanaona, then taiacha tu. But then thanks, happiness. Usililate. Yeah, I'm good. How about you? Did you get anything today on these markets? Nilishika moves za London session. Shika hii move. Yeah, kesho majamaa ya Kiro. Kesho. Wazi jo. Yora soja. Yeah, same. Unaona kama like hakuna kitu. hata mimi pia sijaona kitu, so there is nothing I can do. My hands are tied. Yeah. So for instance, here we get a pullback, but then yeah, I mean, it's not giving us whatever we want to see. Same to this level. So yeah, we had this, but then this was not enough for me. I mean, most of the time whenever I see a move like this, so I'm normally expecting a pullback. So yes, the pullback did happen, but then it was not that deep. So fell short of hitting this level, and then just did too much of accumulation. So those guys who went short, who went long here and also here, W's on the chart. Again, another pullback. Yeah, those who went long. But then for me, nah. I just can't see where to get in. Yeah. Because, yeah, in as much as we train to the fair value gap, but then still I want more information. So I need some entry pattern. Yeah. But then it's not giving, I don't see it here. So I just can't trigger, just can't get in. Okay. So kama wewe pia ulikuwa tu hivyo, it's fine. Tomorrow is also another day, and also the PM session. So for me, I'm going to trade the PM session. I'm going to hunt and see if there is something. If there is nothing, I just sleep. But then right now, yeah, so I feel like we guys need to now go look for some, tutafute sapa, kule. Mimi nitakaa tu hapa ni hunt nini juu sina kitu ya kufanya. Maybe nikiongea tu na mamavu, mpigie simu nikingojea. So until tomorrow guys. So nikipata, if I catch something on the PM session, I'll share. If I don't, then we'll just meet tomorrow. So till tomorrow, see you guys, and it was nice hosting you all. Peace.